Imagine losing your phone and someone misusing your personal data or SIM card. That's exactly where this government app can help you. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the official government app called Sanchar Saathi step by step. With this app, you can block a lost phone, report fraud calls, check SIM cards linked to your ID, and much more. So let's start the tutorial. First of all, open the App Store or Play Store on your phone. Now search for the app called Sanchar Saathi. We'll see the official government app here. Simply click on the install button to download it. The app is completely free to use and helps users with mobile safety and telecom-related services. Once the app is installed, open it. Now enter your mobile number and complete the OTP verification process. After opening the app, a registration window will appear on the screen. Here enter your first name and last name in the required fields. After that, continue with the registration process. As soon as you open the app, you'll see multiple useful features on the home screen. Now let's look at the first feature called Chickshu. This feature is specially designed to help users report fraud calls, scam messages, and fake communications. If you receive fake calls, scam messages, or fraud WhatsApp messages, you can report them directly from here. This feature helps users stay safe from online fraud and cyber scams. Now let's move to one of the most important features of this app: block lost or stolen mobile handset. If your phone gets lost or stolen, this feature allows you to block your device so nobody else can misuse it. Once your phone is blocked, SIM services on that device will stop working, which helps protect your personal data and prevents unauthorized usage. Now click on the Block Your Lost or Stolen Mobile Handset option. After clicking on it, you'll see 4 different options on your screen. The first option is Block Your Lost or Stolen Mobile Handset. If your phone is lost or stolen, this option allows you to block your device so nobody can misuse it. The second option is Unblock Your Found Mobile. If you find your phone later, you can use this option to unblock your device. The third option is Check Request Status. Using this, you can track the current status of your blocking request. And the fourth option is Forgot Request ID. If you forget your request ID, this option helps you recover it easily. Now let's click on the first option and see how to block a lost or stolen mobile phone step by step. Here, you need to fill in all the required details carefully. First, enter your mobile number and IMEI number. After that, enter your device brand name and device model. Now enter the approximate price of your device and upload the purchase invoice or bill if available. You can briefly explain the incident in the description section. After that, enter the owner's personal information carefully. Once all the details are filled correctly, simply click on the Submit button. After submission and verification, your device blocking request will be processed successfully. The second option is Unblock Your Found Mobile. If you previously blocked your phone and later found it, this option allows you to unblock your device. Here, you need to enter the required details related to your blocked device. First, enter your request ID, mobile number, and reason for unblocking. After entering the details, complete the OTP verification process. Once everything is verified, simply click on the Submit button. After successful verification, your mobile device will be unblocked and can be used normally again. The third option is Check Request Status. Using this feature, you can track the current status of your mobile blocking request. Here, you need to enter your request ID. After that, the system will display the current status of your request. You'll be able to see whether your device has been blocked successfully or if the request is still under process. This feature is very useful for tracking your complaint or device blocking progress easily. The fourth option is Forgot Request ID. If you forgot your request ID after submitting a blocking request, this feature helps you recover it easily. Here, you need to select your mobile number linked with the request. After entering the details, complete the verification process. You may receive an OTP on your registered mobile number for verification. Now click on the Submit button. After successful verification, your request ID will be displayed on the screen or sent to your registered contact details. Now let's talk about feature number 3. This feature is called No Mobile Connections in Your Name. Using this feature, you can check how many SIM cards are currently active using your ID or Aadhaar details. If you notice any unknown number, you can report it immediately. Now let's see how to access this feature. As soon as you click on this feature, it will show all the SIM cards currently active in your name. If you notice any unknown number that you never purchased or used, you can report it easily. Simply go to the options next to that number, select Not My Number, and submit the request. After verification, action can be taken to deactivate that number. Now let's move to feature number 4, Know Genuineness of your mobile handset. This feature helps you check whether your mobile phone is genuine or fake. Nowadays, many duplicate or illegal devices are being sold in the market. Using this feature, you can verify your device easily. Here, you need to enter your phone's IMEI number. To check your IMEI number, simply dial *#06# on your phone. After dialing, your IMEI number will appear on the screen. Enter that number and the app will now show whether your device is genuine, duplicate, or blacklisted. This feature is very useful when buying a second-hand or used smartphone. Now let's talk about feature number 5, Report Incoming International Call with Indian Number. This feature helps users report suspicious international calls that appear as normal Indian mobile numbers. Nowadays, many scam calls come from international locations, but they appear as Indian numbers to trick people. If you receive any such suspicious call, you can report it using this feature. Here, enter the mobile number from which you received the suspicious call. You can also provide additional details about the call if required. After entering the details, simply click on the Submit button. This helps telecom authorities identify scam activities and protect users from fraud calls. So if you ever receive a suspicious international scam call showing an Indian number, make sure to report it through this feature. Guys, these were some of the most useful features available inside the Sanchar Saathi app. Using this app, you can block a lost phone, check SIM cards linked to your name, report fraud calls, and verify your mobile device easily. This app is very useful for mobile security and protecting yourself from online fraud. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful tech tutorials.